So this is WaterGuard. This is what you tank your wet room with. We recommend that you put underfloor heating in there. Now the underfloor heating in there dries the wet room out and it gives it a really nice dry finish for whoever wants to come in. And we say do go right into the showering area with this. So there's a few things that you really need to know about this. So when you put this down onto anything, it needs to be covered in a complete bed of tile adhesive or latex. The other thing is the sensor needs to go into the floor. Now what you need to do is route out a little bit of that floor to be able to get a conduit in there that's got the sensor in there. But that needs to be sat on top of the membrane so that it picks up the temperature of the tiles and the tile adhesive. So you need to get yourself a piece of the jointing tape and fit that within the routed area like that, really. So make a groove so it's got overlaps either side of it, so you can run your membrane right up to the edge of that and then just finish it with the finishing compound that comes in with the kit.